Hey guys, it's a goodbye situation, and today I want to do slime alphabetical order, but backwards. The video is inspired by Sis vs. Bro. Let's get on to the video. Okay guys, I have my list right here. As you can see, I have nothing for Z or Y, so we're gonna skip right into W for water. I have my water right here. I'm not gonna put too much. I'm really scared. There you go. That's good. Okay, next up is soap. I have two kinds of soap, but I could have had any hand soap, but it's just soap. So yeah. Oof. Pomegranates. Yummy. Okay, that looks really pretty. I almost feel bad that I'm doing this. Okay, next up is paint. Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna choose my paint right now. I think I'm gonna just go for pink because it looks like the theme. Okay, I got two colors. I got like a neon orange and like pink. And pink. Then pink diamond. Okay, grab this. There you go. Let's put this away. Next up is any makeup of my choice. Ooh, we do not have a lot, so we're gonna have to skip makeup and we're gonna have to go to lotion because, you know. Lotion, come on, do your business. Come on, lotion. Please work for me. I'm gonna put a lot because I want this scented. Too scented, but yeah. Okay, next up is lipstick. We have lipstick right here. I kind of feel bad doing this. Oof! That actually just fell right out, okay. Bye-bye. See you when I'm done with my slime. Got this thing, whatever it's called. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna just grab this scoop. I can't. I'm more used to doing this when the slime is already made. I've done my couple of makeup videos, and I will leave those in the description below. Make sure you go check them out. And then if you want, then you can just come back here. Okay, this thing is not coming out. Just frustrating me. Okay, now I'm just do this. Come on, out. There, finally. Bye-bye. You had a nice time while you had it. Glitter is next. And nope, this is it. Okay, I don't really like this now. Because water and glitter do not mix well. So let's pray that this will go well. Next up is glue, finally, glue. Come on. One of my $8 glue. Now, Bominos. In. Okay, that's too much slime. I don't think I'm gonna have enough activator. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks really nice when I flip it. Okay, now the next thing on my list is foam balls. I'm gonna use the fat kind if I have any. Yes, I have the fat kind. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just dump it. Okay, this slime is already not gonna turn out as I hoped it would. Okay, next up is food coloring. Okay, that's not so bad. Either way, since this is already pink, I'm gonna have to complete pink diamonds colony. This color. I don't know, I have it, I'm gonna just use it. Oh my gosh. Paint can almost fell. There you go. Okay, next up we have eyeshadow. I only have one kind of that variety. Oof. It's really, really nice. I don't feel bad doing this. Oof. Okay, and now that's over. I have dish soap. Okay, it's this nice color. It smells nice. Okay, I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, I just added too much. No, I'll just add a little bit more. That's good. Okay. Now I need borax, but I forgot to get it. Oh, and I also forgot to, from S, I forgot to add shaving cream. I kind of want to save that for last, but no. Today. Okay, this is like my second time doing shaving cream slimes. Because, you know. Yeah. Mom, can you please get me the borax? I forgot to get it. So in the meantime, I need to get my Starflow. Or Starflow, however you say it. Okay. I am scared. Okay, one. Thank you. Okay, now where's the entrance seal? Oh, here it is. Okay.
That looks pretty.
This looks like I just threw a bunch of random things in there. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Because I think I added too much borax. Okay, guys. Wish me luck on this. And where did my spoon go? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm actually scared for this. Okay, the water's not really helping. I think I might be ending up doing a bad choice here. But it actually looks nice though. Wow, fancy. Wow, it already sticked. Yeah, but it's sticky. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna just do this. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna just set this down on my piece of paper. It's like the only thing I have here. Okay, now let's just do this. Okay, now this is a bad idea. I feel bad doing this. Ew, it's so gross, but I like it. It's gross, but I like it. Okay, this slime's gonna be really, really fluffy. I probably shouldn't have added so much. Okay, this looks nice and decent. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you when it's done. As you can see, guys, this thing turned out to be more like rubber. And now one of the pieces is glass. Okay, this has a good slime after all. I'm not sure about the same about the water. But hey, at least it's pretty, I guess. Okay. Now I'm gonna be right back, guys. So yeah. I need to put this thing away. Back in a few minutes. Come on. Hey guys, as you can see, I just came back from this here, and it's still apparently flubber. I like the slime, but it's too flubbery. It's really nice after all, though. I gave an A+ on that. I'm just trying to find all the lipstick. Oh, here it is. Wait, is it? I'm just trying to find that stick because I can't find it. Meh. Oh, I just found it. I got that sticked. Okay, hopefully that this lipstick just makes the sign stickier. And it's really nice after all. Giving it an A+ for color and scent, but minus for the slime part. It just turned into flubber. Maybe the borax is a bad idea. But anyway, that's all I got for today, guys. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Bye, everyone.